am doing all this really quick because it's 2 a.m. in the morning and I need to wind up everything really quick. I've got early appointments tomorrow morning, so I need to rush this up. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in case you are new, hi, my name is Kylie and you will find beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe. So as you can tell by the title, I am doing a huge holiday giveaway. Yay! It's been so long now that I've done any giveaways and it's the end of the year along with holiday season, so I thought why not surprise you guys giving away some really good stuff that I know you guys will love it. Someone said it's so true, you guys, time really flies, because I feel like I celebrated New Year a few months ago and now it's like bang, 2019 is knocking on the door. 2018 was so rushing busy for me with lots of ups and downs like a roller coaster ride, so I want to start 2019 very calm and relaxing without thinking too much. Just don't want to put a lot of stuff on my plate, and I thought doing this giveaway would be a nice gesture. So in this giveaway I will be choosing two winners. So one will be the grand prize winner and the second one will be the second prize winner, and it is international, you guys, so you don't have to worry, no questions asked. I swear, wherever in this world you are, you can enter this giveaway. I am so happy to announce that I am going to give away the Kylie Cosmetics 21st birthday mega bundle, and let's not talk too much and dig right in to see what you're actually gonna get. So this is how the packaging looks like. It says hello 21st and it's really heavy, you guys. Let me open. This is how it looks like from inside, you guys. So very pretty, and I personally love this bundle because there's a lot of lippies. So we've got one eyeshadow palette, one highlighter, and rest all are lippies. First we've got this mini lip set featuring 6 lip shades, which are called Boss, Victoria Red, Say No More, Boy Boy and Queen. Next I've got 3 glitterized liquid shadow in Fine Wine, Eat Cake and Born to Sparkle. We've got 3 lip bundles, which includes a lip liner and liquid lipsticks, which are known as Betty, Tipsy and 21. We've also got the birthday lip trio. That's all the lippies that includes in the birthday collection bundle. Now moving on to the main palette, and that's the Sipping Pretty palette. And when I open, you guys, this is how all the shades looks like, you guys. It's so pretty, a lot of shimmer shades along with matte with both warm and cool tone. Now if this doesn't get sold out, I am getting one palette for myself. Even if I'm not getting the whole bundle, I think I should definitely get the palette for myself because everyone's raving about this palette so very much. Now let's move on to the second prize. So first of all, I have got Huda Beauty foundations. Now I know it's very rare, nobody includes foundation in a giveaway, but I thought it's really important because I love Huda Beauty foundation. I think it's the best foundation that I've ever used out of the 100 brands because I love full coverage foundation. It's full coverage, it lasts all day long, like suits my skin so very much that I thought you guys must try. So I got 2 shades, one in light and one in dark, so that no matter what shade you are, if you can mix it, I hope it works out for the winner. So you can just mix the light and dark shade and hopefully the shade works out for you. And lastly, I've got 16 matte liquid lipsticks from Huda Beauty. Now I feel like the entire giveaway is all full of liquid lipsticks. Sorry guys, I cannot help because liquid lipsticks are my favorite, and I think even someone who doesn't always like to go full on glam loves to have a good lipstick. Okay, so now let's move on to the rules, how to enter this giveaway and how to win all these prizes. It's really simple. I don't like to keep tricky tricks. So let's get started. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button, plus turn on the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video you get notified. Number 2, go to my Instagram and give me a follow. These 2 things you need to do, which is a must to enter this giveaway. Now you will have to do all this by clicking the link given below in the description box, and the link will take you to a generator which will make sure you've done all the necessary steps before letting you enter into the giveaway. And also the generator will help me pick 2 random winners, making sure they've done all the necessary steps. That way I know it's fair to everyone. And for Instagram, you will have to repost the main giveaway picture that you will find on my Instagram feed with the hashtag Caroline_07 giveaway, and don't forget to tag me because that way I see your post. Also on the main giveaway post that you will find on my Instagram feed, you will have to go in the comment section and tag 3 friends, and that's a huge request, guys. Please don't just tag anyone, tag someone that you know, that you personally know and you think they would be interested to win the prizes. Please don't tag any brands or any company. Also, you can tag as many friends as you like, but just make sure you tag 3 friends at a time, just because it makes so much easier for me to count the entries. And the more you tag friends, the more extra entries you get. Just make sure you tag 3 friends at a time. The Instagram entries are optional, but I would so much appreciate if you can repost the giveaway picture, and also because that way you get double extra bonus points. But the main rules are to subscribe to my channel, turning on that notification bell, and following me on Instagram. These are the 2 main rules to enter this giveaway. Rest all are optional, but the more you enter, the more extra bonus points you get. And also check the description box to know when the giveaway is going to end, where I'm going to announce the names of the winners, and also in case I forgot anything to mention, everything will be down below. And do remember, the first grand prize winner will win the entire Kylie Cosmetics 21st birthday mega bundle, and the second prize winner will win the Huda Beauty foundations and the 16 matte liquid lipstick. Good luck to everyone who's going to enter. Don't forget to do all this through the link down below in the description box, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.